friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and welcome to my 2026 Valentine's Day haul. I am so excited to share with you some of the adorable home decor I have been collecting for Valentine's Day. Let's go ahead and get started. So I know that decorating for Valentine's Day is not everybody's cup of tea. I will say that I have not consistently decorated every single year, but I really do love to decorate for Valentine's Day. It's my favorite colors, pink and red, my absolute favorite colors. And it's just a sweet, very beautiful holiday. I think a lot of times people focus too much on the romantic side of Valentine's Day, but I think it's just a great time to tell people that you love them. And my kids really enjoy when I decorate for the holidays and for the seasons. So that's what we're gonna do. So I have picked up a few items. I think everything that I have is from either TJ Maxx or Home Goods, which obviously are the same company. So you can find all of these things probably in your local TJ Maxx or or Home Goods. And I also have picked up several different sweatshirts and like t-shirts, and anything that I can link for you, I will down in the description box. This one is one of my absolute favorites that I picked up. This is from American Eagle, of course, my absolute favorite place to buy clothes. And I love it. I love the colors, and their sweatshirts are just the most comfortable. One thing I will say is pay attention to the size and the fit when you're looking at the description. If it says oversized, know that it means oversized. And it's not just like a little bit oversized. Their things are very oversized. So this is a small sweatshirt. Oh, it still has its tag on it actually. It still has the S on it. This I believe is their relaxed fit. This is not their oversized fit. This is their relaxed fit. So it's not super oversized, but just be mindful of how the things fit because they can be very oversized. But I will link all of my Valentine's Day finds. You'll be seeing lots of those throughout the month of February. So let's go ahead and get into this. So first things first that I want to show you are these adorable canisters that I picked up at Home Goods. So I got this bigger one. Is this not so cute with a little wooden lid? And then I got this smaller one. I would like to try to find one like in between these two. If I can find one more, that would be ideal. My plan is to use these here in the kitchen. I found canisters for Halloween that I used. I have canisters for Christmas, and now I can have canisters for Valentine's Day. These could be used for Christmas decor. I did see them in the store during Christmas time, so you could use them for that. But my plan is to use them for Valentine's Day. The other thing I found at Home Goods were these adorable little coffee mugs or teacups. You can use them for whatever it is that you want to use them for. They are so cute. I love the pink and the red. I love that they look like, watercolor or artwork. I love the scalloped edge. That's my automatic cat food feeder. You guys know this thing is loud all the time. It's that time. It's 12 o'clock, so they're getting their afternoon feed. But aren't these beautiful? My goal for these is to hang these in the coffee bar, or you can also, have them like this in your coffee bar, or, they look so pretty stacked up. You could obviously use them, but they're so pretty and I love them. Staying in the ceramics, I also picked up this adorable little cake stand. Oh, I should be telling you prices, shouldn't I? So the canisters were, the large one was $14.99 and the small little tiny one was $5.99. The cups, the little mugs, were $4.99 and this was $9.99, this cute little, again, I think that this would be really pretty in my cabinets here in the kitchen or on my little hutch in the dining room. I have one for Christmas that is like cream colored and has a white like rim, and it's so pretty. And I have used that one for Valentine's Day before. I just don't always like to take from one season to use in another, because then I have to remember to put it back in the right bin. Otherwise I'm gonna look for it when it comes time for the season. And I know that's silly, but you can very easily do that. But when I saw this one, I thought it was really cute and would look really cute with like a little fake cake on it or some cupcakes and a cloche or something. So pretty. And an easy way to bring in the color of the season, I also picked up this adorable little mini casserole dish in this heart shape. This was $5.99. I got this at TJ Maxx. My plan is to put this here in my little pie safe on my countertop. This pie safe, by the way, you guys ask me about this all the time. This is from Antique Farmhouse. It is currently sold out. It has been sold out for months, but my recommendation is to click the notify me button so that you can be notified when it comes back in stock. And if it's something you really, really, really want, if you get notified, get it, because they always sell out. It is adorable and I love it. I bought this for myself as a birthday gift last year, I think. Was it last year for my birthday? And it's my favorite piece of decor in my kitchen. I absolutely love it. It's so fun to decorate and it's beautiful and just so quaint. So just wanted to mention that. But $5.99 for this cute little casserole dish, and this would make a cute little candy dish too. Staying in the kitchen, I also found these Rachel Zoe hand mitts. These are $7.99, these oven mitts, and I think they're so cute. I love to decorate with oven mitts. I have some that I think are also from Rachel Zoe. No, the ones that I have for Christmas are from Rachel Ashwell from the Farmhouse line, and they're so cute. They were like, just like this, they were red and gingham, but they had little green trees, and these have little red hearts, and they're so cute. So, so cute. So I'll probably put one here in the kitchen, one in the coffee bar. They just, such a fun way to decorate, and they look really sweet. I think that's it for, oh no, I have one more item that I guess you could consider kitchen decor. I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna use these yet. I'm kind of wishing I had gotten 2 of these now that I'm thinking about it, because I could have used some here in the kitchen and some in the dining room hutch. But it is these 3 ceramic donuts by Cupcakes and Cashmere. $9.99 for these 3. I got this at TJ Maxx, I believe. And they're so cute. They just look like little donuts, like real donuts, you know. These are what you'd find at like Dunkin' Donuts. These look really great on a platter, in a cake stand, under a cloche, you know what I mean? Just kind of tucked in anywhere, and they look really, really great. For my pantry door, I found this adorable felt wreath. This is $14.99. I love felt decor for seasonal decor, especially in a wreath or a garland. How cute is this? I love it. This is gonna be so dang cute. I'm probably not gonna hang it by this ribbon. I'll probably hang it just like this, but this will look so cute here on my pantry door. Absolutely love. I love the little felt bow. Like, so very sweet, right? Love it. I also found this adorable shabby chic picture frame. Looks like this. It's $7.99. I think it's so pretty, and it will probably live in my office always, like even outside of Valentine's Day, because it's so pretty. But I think I'm gonna use this on my sofa table for Valentine's Day. Love it. At Target, this is the only thing I haven't gotten at TJ Maxx or Home Goods. And Target had, last I checked, they had not released their Valentine's Day decor yet, so I haven't bought anything from them yet. I did buy a ton from them last year because they had that beautiful floral pattern. But I found these in the Hearth and Hand section. These are, they look like ranunculus. Let me just double check if it says, yes it is. And they're stems from Hearth and Hand, and they're so pretty. I love this pink, and I thought they would look really great in that antique bucket that I have on my sofa table. I love the color of these. They only had 4 stems. Otherwise I would have bought more because I'd like them for my dining room table and my entryway table. So if I can get my hands on more of these, I should check online. I'll see if I can find them online. But aren't they pretty? They look very real too. I really, really love them. Ranunculus are some of my absolute favorite flowers. They are gorgeous. The yellow ones are stunning. But they are a cold weather flower, so they're, you know, they don't last. This next piece of decor is kind of odd, but I love it. It's by Martha Stewart. It was $14.99, and it's this adorable little flower cart. How cute is this? Isn't this sweet? So I figured we could put this either on the hutch in my dining room or on my sofa table. I thought it was so pretty. I thought at first I'd put it on my entryway table, but I want to see it more often than that. And then the last thing I picked up was a blanket. This is by Nicole Miller Home. It was $29.99, and I fell in love with this blanket. I walked past it probably 4 different times. I was like, I don't need it, I don't need it, I don't need it. And then when I walked by it the last time and I was like, I just can't stop staring at it, I knew I would regret not buying it if I didn't. So it's this beautiful pink and white gingham pattern with these little fuzzy hearts, and it has beautiful pink tassels, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. And I don't know if it's gonna go on the sofa or in my office yet. Stay tuned, you're gonna have to wait and see when I finally decorate for Valentine's Day. But I love this. I love pink gingham. I just love it. It's so feminine, and it's just so pretty. And that is it. I feel like last year I got a lot of Valentine's Day decor, including my beautiful sign from the Weathered White Barn that will go up again this year on the peg rail. So I feel like I definitely did not need to purchase a lot of decor this year, but it's hard because I love Valentine's Day decor. I know that it's crazy. They're so sweet and beautiful and feminine. When I met my husband, my apartment looked like Valentine's Day. Like, I just always had whites and pinks and shabby chic and roses and beautiful, and I'm really excited. And I think Valentine's Day decor is gonna look extra good this year because I'm bringing in the cherubs and the white cottage shabby vibe, and I think it's just gonna look extra, extra romantic. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video. That will be our next holiday decorating video, is Valentine's Day. I can't wait to share that with you, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, a wonderful week. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, my friends.